Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Do you have IceWarp mailboxes that you want to view, analyze and export without any email client? If so, watch this few minutes video tutorial. Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 IceWarp Forensics Wizard on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it. This utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select Open IceWarp Configured Account if you have IceWarp application running on your machine. Otherwise, select Choose Folder option to upload IceWarp emails. Wait, the software is analyzing the IceWarp folders. The tool lists all the IceWarp mailboxes in the software interface. Here, click on the IceWarp mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the IceWarp folder are listed one by one. Now, click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the IceWarp email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. For an investigator, the header information of an email is a valuable source. Using this IceWarp viewer, you can see the email header preview. Click on the message header option to get the essential details. This great utility also enables you to see the hex view of the email. Just tap on the hex view tab. A forensic investigator can also view the raw information of the email. Please click on raw message option to get the preview. This IceWarp Forensics Wizard has many helpful features such as quick search and advanced search option. These help you filter IceWarp email information, also find out any word, text, or other information in the message. As you can see the search tab in the software panel, this feature helps one to search for data in the selected folder. Just enter the keyword and search the information in the related emails of the folder. The software highlights your searched keyword in the yellow color. This way you can search keywords in other mailboxes. Now, let's move on and understand how the advanced search helps you in examining IceWarp mailboxes. This feature enables you to search in the entire IceWarp mailbox. So, choose a particular item in the search inbox. We are selecting emails, for example. You can choose according to the requirement. After that, select a required field like name, subject, from, to, CC, and more as per the need. We are picking up the content field and tap on the Find button. Click on the email and get your required information. This secure application also allows you to save the IceWarp mailbox into multiple saving options. Moreover, you can extract attachments, email addresses, phone numbers from the IceWarp mailbox. Go to the Export tab and select PDF to continue to the process. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you see, there are many options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Other is include properties : if you want to see the IceWarp email's properties with the final results, then enable the option. Next is show page numbers. If you enable this option, then it allows you to insert page numbers in PDF document. The last one is save attachments in a folder. Enabling this option, you have the freedom to save attachments in a separate folder. Now, finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process of exporting IceWarp files into PDF format in the software panel. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. All the IceWarp email messages are successfully exported in PDF file format. Click on the OK button. At last, click on Open Folder, and you will get a folder named as IceWarp Files. Click on it and check the results. That's all for this video. We hope you get a good understanding on how to view, analyze and export IceWarp mailboxes to PDF. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.